getting ready to go to the college, today you need to know what's going on at this college and what you guys are going to be doing. There's going to be a program where they teach you how to cook good food, and you're going to be an NFL player. The NFL player name is Tutu Atwell. What's his name?
Tutu Atwell.
All of our facilities are active learning spaces here at Miami-Dade College. And it's so important for when we have young people come and visit us, whether it's a visit like this or a summer camp. We want our students to know that all of this belongs to them. These are the spaces that they learn in, that they get to experiment in, and that curiosity gets to be sparked.
So if you like the idea of turning $5 potentially into $25 over a period of time, that's the world of finance and investing.
So whether you want to be an animator or a gamer, you're going to spend the first year of the program learning all the awesome fundamentals. Stuff like how to tell a great story, how to design a cool character, how to create digital art, how to program, how to 3D model characters. Now, once you learn all those cool fundamentals, you're going to have a really awesome opportunity in your first spring semester, and that is to pitch your original idea for a cartoon or game. And you're not just pitching that idea to just anybody, guys. You're pitching that to industry giants. I'm talking about Disney, Nickelodeon, Pixar, Warner Brothers. These are some of our partners, right? They actually work hand in hand with our students and help them create their film or video game project in the second year of the program.
This is a fifth-year capstone project for a university. If a student has worked on SAE at this level, their chances when they go to a university for engineering or something like that are much, much greater, because it looks really good on the resume.
One of the things that we're doing in Culinary Arts that's cutting edge is we have a brand new sustainability course, and we even have our own block-wide garden right behind the garage. So the students get to go and pick their very own herbs and spices and vegetables and fruits to be able to use in the culinary labs.
Hi everybody, we are here for our second year of the Summer Entrepreneurship Program with Genevieve Carville Harris and
Tutu Atwell.
And we are so excited. So the kids last year were actually starting the brand with you with the juice, and they had to name it. They named it
Too Tasty!
And one of the things that I love about what you are doing with your product is that you're using natural ingredients. So the hibiscus plant, it has so many natural remedy properties. And so when Tutu chose the hibiscus plant, we just knew that it was going to be a healthy alternative to some of these sugary drinks that everybody is drinking. Like, why is that important to you?
Too much sugar in the drinks nowadays, so just trying to keep it on the healthy side.
This year we're taking them a little bit further, and we're making sure that they learn sales, that they learn marketing. Why do you think that even matters?
Because marketing go a long way with it. There's a lot of companies out here and a lot of sponsorships that you can get throughout of it, and just teaching them that thing and that side of the business. If you got a marketing team or anybody representing you, you tell them what you want to do. So like I like gaming, for instance, I like gaming. So I tell my people, there's a lot of gaming companies out there, or I have gaming companies that send me like monitors and stuff like that, because I play the game a lot, I stream a lot. Monitors, I go to these gaming events, these big time streamers that be streaming every day. I get to team up with them and play against some other rappers and streamers like that, and they pay $10,000 just to do that. So
like when I think of Gatorade, I'm thinking about like the electrolytes in it. Kind of like keeping me going during a game. And that's cool. When I think of Red Bull, I'm thinking like I'm just beat up tired, or I need to go in the gym and hit it hard, so I need a boost of energy. But I, Max Ramirez, don't know why I need Too Tasty. What is it gonna do for me? So that's, you guys need to figure out. And those are called product benefits.
So one of the things that, I think that you guys should really understand is your brand is you. The same thing we were saying with Tutu, of course he signed with the NFL and he has Adidas and all these other conglomerates around him, but that money doesn't come if they don't believe in you, because you don't get this moment in life back. You're at an age that is very pivotal, okay? The next 10 to 15 years can be decided right now, okay? And I don't want to scare you, but that's just the truth of the matter. So take opportunities like these and the moments like these to make the most of them. And I'm looking forward to see what you guys do in the Tutu Atwell Entrepreneur Workshop.
Yay!